Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card cover with a tree and house, the blue background, sky blue background and some clouds on top. For that we need cooling tool, some round dias, glue and some multicolor strips. So first of all friends, we will start from the main root of the tree. For that we need 297 mm strip. You have to it's depend on your card size, what size you want. I will just make a sample for you. We have to do first around 120 mm length one side, then we have to put the 10 mm for the root, then we have to take the around for 50 mm, then again bend for little branch, then again this one, and then at the end we have to the top side of the tray we have to put the glue, the top, and make it a main root. As you can see, this is the size of the main root or big root. For the green side we have three different size of round, 10, 15 and 20, 17 and 23 mm rounds. So we have to make the tight roll first with the cooling tool, then remove and choose the size which size you want. I will just make a one sample for you because three of the green sides we have a same size. The bigger one we got from here and the smaller one in the middle we choose that one. So we got it. You have to make the three sides of that. Then friends, we have to make the house first. For house we need around 150 or 170 mm strip, yellow strip. You have to stand same size that one which we already did for the small green side leaves. We have to make the square. For house. Then we need the red strip, 150 mm same this one we need. We have to make the top side of the house. Again one same that one. Now we have to make the triangle shape for top side of the house or roof. This one we make the house, this one we make the green side of the tree. Now we need the land side. For that we need 100 mm, 130 mm strip of the yellow we are using. It's depend on you which one you want to use. Make the shape of Z type. For the clouds we need 297 mm strip, and we have to make some steps. First top side, then opposite side. Again same you have to do for all sides and make the clouds. This is the last step. In the small grass, as you can see, you have to cut the strips in small sizes and make it the cross shape as well. This one you can make the cloud. So friends, we got the stuff, we make it all those things. So now time to putting the stuff on the greeting card cover. So let's get started, friends. So friends, we have our stuff: main root, the petals, leaves, cloud, the land, house, and some grass. So friends, we will start from the land. We already put that one. This is the house. Green side, grass, and we have to put the backyard area grass. This one cloud, and the main thing, the leaves are the green side or green zone area of the tree. And one you have to put the top on the top, and here the green one, small one. So friends, I think you got the idea. I hope you like our video. If you like our video, friends, please comment below the video, share the video, and subscribe our channel. And do not forget the bell icon. You have to press the bell icon, that can give it to you the notification whenever we upload our new video. So until next video, friends, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.